Hey friends, it's Akideris. So a lot of you may or may not know that my boyfriend speaks Japanese fluently, and many times in the past has he advised everyone to just stay away from Google Translate when it comes to speaking Japanese. Understandably so. So in this video, sorry but not sorry Joey, I'm going to be completely texting him out of random by talking into Google Translate, seeing what it comes up with from English to Japanese, which I assume is probably not going to be 100% correct. I assume it's going to get a few things messed up here and there, and then I'll just send all of that to Joey, see what he replies in. Alright, so let's get into it. Hey Joey, how are you doing? I don't know what you're up to right now, but how was your day?
こんにちは、Joey 元気ですか?
So they just kind of said screw the rest. Well, I guess we'll just do that. So let's just copy and paste that. Even though that's perfect Japanese, he's probably gonna think that's super random that I'm just texting him out of nowhere. Let's try and send one more message. He's probably with his parents right now or something. Are you enjoying Australia with your parents? What have you guys been up to? Let me know.
両親と一緒にオーストラリアを楽しんでいますか?
I don't know if that's perfect, so we'll just paste that into here. Okay. He just automatically replied back in Japanese. Let's see. I can't read kanji, so let's go from Japanese to English. I'm fine. Genki da yo. I'm having fun. Tanoshinderu yo. Sochi wa? What is sochi wa? What about there? I'm doing alright. I didn't know that you'd reply back in Japanese, but I guess I'm just learning a little bit. Is it perfect right now?
Android Breaking Giant Adventure Japanese.
Oh, I have it on from Japanese to English. Screw it. I'll just send that. He's probably going to be very confused. He said what? He just replied Android Consecutive Adventure Japanese. You went Christmas shopping? Yeah, I went Christmas shopping with my parents today. How's my Japanese, by the way? Is it doing a lot better than usual? You know that I've been studying every day, so I wasn't sure. Home skillet?
今日は両親と一緒にクリスマスに行きました。
He just sent me a Pop Team Epic sticker. I feel like he's just scared. That's me trying to figure out what the fuck you're saying. Oh, really? I thought that that would be perfect Japanese. You know that I've been studying really hard. Can you tell me the exact translation of what I was saying? I feel like you could get the gist of that. There are way too many watashis in that sentence. Maybe we could do something that has a lot of watashis in it. Watashi means I or me, so let's try something. I am that I am. You know that I am the person that I am. Because if I weren't the person that I am, then you wouldn't like me for as I am, would you? I do not like you the same way that I am doing that I am mine, that you are me, as I am. We'll just send that to him. Oh, he replied, truly I do not know what to say. Let's look for the best tongue twister. And then we'll say that in English and have it translated from Google Translate. Brisk, brave, brigaders brandish broad, bright blades, blunderness and bludgeons, balancing them badly.
活気に満ちた勇敢な巡将は、アーネストとブルドンをうまく調和させて、それらのバランスを悪くします。
Burudon sounds like Pokemon. He thinks I'm talking about a Pokemon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to PewDiePie and unsubscribe to T-Series. Thank you, not thank you. Goodbye.
また、旧大パイを購読して T シリーズの購読を解除することを忘れない。
How does it say PewDiePie?
エアー DP。
What?
エアー DP。
PewDiePie? PewDiePie.
旧大パイ。
I understood Joey, PewDiePie, and T-Series, so subscribe to PewDiePie and unsubscribe from T-Series. Got it. By the way, I don't know if I ever told you how beautiful I think your eyes are. It's probably one of the best things about you, and I'm too shy to say it in person, so I thought to just tell you in text.
ところで、私はあなたの目はそれがあなたにとって最も良いことの一つであると私は思う。
Oh my god, I actually have no fucking idea what you're saying. Well, thanks! That I really put a lot of work into trying to say how much I liked your eyes. What's up, my home skillet? How you doing right now?
私の自宅のフライパンはどうしたの?
Yeah, totally what I said. Which frying pan? The one in the kitchen, homie. Go and get it for me and cook me a sandwich. A grilled cheese sandwich, if you don't mind.
あなたが気にしないのであれば、私たち
Make a grilled cheese sandwich with a frying pan? How? I don't know, man. Just go Google it up. It doesn't seem like the hardest thing in the world. Seems like all you gotta do is just get a little bit of bread, just one slice, put it up on top of a frying pan, and just put a little bit of cheese on it. Actually, you know what? Smother it in cheese if you don't mind you. Thanks, homie.
私は男が
Yeah, okay, I heard you. If you don't know how to make a grilled cheese sandwich with a frying pan, I'm sure you can make a pretty mean pasta because I've tried some of your stuff and it is bomb as fuck.
あなたがフライパンで焼きチーズサンドイッチ
Come on, you gotta know something. I gave you the tutorial. Please teach me. Also, what the fuck are you saying? What? I'm speaking perfect Japanese, aren't I? Yeah, whatever you say, man. Have you seen any good movies lately?
最近良い映画を見ましたか？
Yeah, I saw in cinemas. What about you? I've been watching The Crown on Netflix. You should watch it sometime.
私はあなたがいつかそれを見るべきであるネットフリックスの群衆を見ています。
You can't watch it on Netflix. What, The Crown? Yeah, it's a Netflix original. How can it not be on Netflix? I'm talking about The Crown. It's a series.
私は冠について話しているのはそれがシリーズだ。
Yeah, it's the one about the royal family, remember?
それは王室のことです。
Royal family. The Crown on Netflix. It's about the royal family.
ネットフリックスの王冠は王室のこと。
The Crown on Netflix. Oh my god, I finally understood what you said. Yes, we should watch it sometime. I'm glad you could finally understand my Japanese.
はい、私たちはいつかそれを見るべきです。あなたがようやく私の日本語を理解できてよかった。
Yeah, we should watch. Aww, you know what I said. You like jazz?
ちょっとあなたはジャズが好きです。
We should watch B-movie sometime.
いつか映画を見るべきです。
What does that mean? Someday you should see a movie. A jazz movie? Yeah, that's the B movie in a nutshell, basically.
それは基本的に一言で言えば B ムービーです。
Oh, now you put B movie in there. Thanks. I want a B movie too. Alright, I'm gonna call him now because I want to see what the damage is now, just to see how confused he is of all of this. Did you have fun with that?
No.
How was my Japanese?
Crap.
This was for a video.
Oh, yeah, I thought so. You never text me in Japanese.
Well, I just wanted to know how much was the damage.
Ah, it's so bad. Just all of it. It was all bad. There wasn't a single sentence you wrote that was grammatically correct.
Really?
No, just don't use Google Translate, please. It's so bad. None of it was grammatically correct. There was like one sentence that had watashi like 7 times. It was like, watashi ga watashi desu ga, watashi wa watashi, and I'm like, oh my gosh.
I'm sorry that I did that to you. Well, I think that I've just shown the people, like, the hard way of what it's like if you use Google Translate to communicate with actual fluent speaking people.
Yeah, you'll give them a headache.
Well, let that be a lesson to you guys. Don't use Google Translate. So I appreciate you guys for watching and subscribe to my channel for more anime and otaku related content. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!